Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And hi, my name is Jannah binti MASKOP. My matric number is 203769. I am Bachelor of Communication from Faculty Modern English and Communication. I will pass to and next.
Okay, I am Mohamad ZAIRIN bin ANNOR. My matric number is 195129. I am from Bachelor in Communication, Faculty in Modern Language and Communication.
Hi,
Next.
my name is ASNAWI bin HASHIM. My matric number 199852. I am from Bachelor Communication from Faculty Bahasa Modern and Communication.
Hi, my name is MUHAMAD bin OTHMAN. My matric number is 199387. I'm currently on third year student and I'm from Faculty of Forestry and Environmental Management. Next.
Hi everyone, my name is Zhou Xuan. My matric number is 208872. I'm from China. My faculty is agriculture. Thank you.
Hello guys, my name is MASAAD. My matric number 195778. I am from the School of Business and Management.
Hi everyone, my name is ZHANGXINCHAO. My matric number is 208827. I come from China. Thank you.
Okay, so today we will start with our first presentation, project DIY for plastic bottle pot, which is I use bottle.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hi. Today I would like to make DIY project which is bottle plastic pot. So the thing that we need is bottle plastic, scissors and knife. So what we do right now, we will cut this part and we will remove this from the bottle. So now we will cut it. So now we will make a sample around here. see there is some hole for the water to flow. I would like to say thank you to Dr. Tan and for this team, LAX DIY project group 153, because give me opportunity to make this DIY project. And for information, this is my first time ever experience to make DIY project. Thank you.
This is the bottle that I cut off. It's from 500 millimeter bottle, and then it be like this one. You guys can see it clearly, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one is plant. Okay, and this is soil. Right. At this around, I have put some holes so that the water can pour down. Let me do an experiment. Okay. You can see the water is flowing down. You guys can see it? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
So now I will put the soil. Wait a minute.
It's okay.
Okay, and the plan. So it's be a bottle plastic for that's all. This function is for you to put the plant. So that means we can reuse, reduce, and recycle what the bottle plastic. That's all for me. Do you have any question?
If that plant was already grow, so we need to change from that pot, or you have other suggestion?
Okay, for this case, is only for the small plant because it's just a small pot. So we have to use another bottle that which is more bigger. Did I answer your question?
Yes, you answered my question. Okay. Do you have question? ALJAILY, you have question?
Yeah, no, I don't have.
ASNAWI?
No.
So we just need a bottle pot only, right? So it means to produce this DIY project is not expensive, right?
What? Once again, I can't hear clearly.
I mean, so we just use the this bottle pot only, right? So we don't need to spend more money for this DIY project.
Yes, very sure. We can save money, we can save world.
Yeah, I think it is a kind of recycling. Am I correct?
Yes, sure.
But I saw so many guys, they do like this one and they paint it by color. They put red color, blue color, and it looks very shine.
Yeah, for sure you can be more creative and critical thinking for your own expression and for your interpretation, because I can color it because I don't have any paint. So I just use the original from the bottle, and then I make a hole, some hole here, and then find the soil and only and plant. That's all. Is it unclear?
So,
What's about
do you think is it useful to everyone?
What?
So, what do you think is it useful for everyone?
Do you think?
It is useful for everyone.
Yes, it is useful for everyone who love to planting the flowers, because it's a pot, and then you can use to put your any flowers such as sunflower, cactus, and so on.
so how we can make that plant grow better? What you put in that soil? Maybe nutrients or anything else?
Yes. First thing, the fertilizer. The fertilizer must be good fertilizer. It's like I depend on the plant. For example, this is a grass. It looks like a plant, right? So it can live in any soil, so you don't have to worry. But for some plant that should live for the soil that red soil like palm oil, you cannot put it in here because not suitable. This is for small plant, not for the bigger plant. That's all.
How long can the plant survive at behind the bottle?
Um, in my experience, I have a plant for the cowgate.
How-
I think when it become grow.
Huh? Based on my experience before, I have planted the bean. It take for 2 weeks. For the small pot, if the biggest pot, you can spend for more than half a year.
Oh,
For ZHOU, you have any suggestion, improvement, or any comment about this project?
Do we need to poke a hole in the bottom so it can breathe?
Once again,
And I mean, do we need to poke in the bottle so it can breathe? I mean,
Oh.
is in yes.
once again, once again.
Sorry.
It's okay. You just repeat the question and then I try to understand.
I have one question. Can you hear me? So, what is the cost that we are required to produce this DIY project? The overall cost, you think?
The reason why we should to produce this DIY project is because it's very useful for all person, and it's very not wasting your money, and it save your life for sure. Just we have to realize and thankful to God that everything that has in this earth can be reused, reduced, and will help us to make our life better and happy.
Okay, back from Zhou Xuan say before, are you mean, did you mean that how many holes that they use or what?
How many holes? Or
Uh-huh.
how many rules? Oh, the whole is have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 holes.
Okay.
Why I put 6
Did we
holes?
answer you?
What? The reason why
Okay,
I
just
put
continue.
the reason why I put 6 holes is because to make the water can flowing easily. Zairin, do you have any question? I'm so sorry.
It's okay. Maybe Zhangxing have any question? Because we
Yes, I have.
doesn't hear from you.
Yeah, I have a question. It's a little question. When we, if we, water the plant, if we give the water, if we give the plants a lot of water, what can you do?
Once again,
I mean, you put a plant in like a bottle, yeah, half a bottle. If we give the plants so much water, what can you do for the plants? You know?
do you mean what kind of bottle or what kind of water? How much water that we should put it? That's what
I mean, if you give the plants too much water,
What
Water.
if plant have too much water?
yeah,
Is that your question?
yeah,
If the plant have too much water, it will damage the plant because a plant is like us. It have to have the natural average of water. For example, if your plant is small, so the water, I mean, in a small, in a small in a small amount. So if your water your plant is bigger, you have to put big amount of water. Does that answer your question?
yeah.
Are you sure?
Maybe.
Can you repeat your question?
Okay. Did anyone have any comment on how to improve mass pot, DIY pot? Is there anyone has suggestion to improve? Okay. From my opinion, I think we should put some put layer by layer in that pot, so the plant can at least keep a little amount of water for a long time. Maybe we put carton or but stones, small stones, and others to keep it more longer. Keep the water. Then we just make it flow from the holes. That may be kind of waste of water. I think that's from my opinion. And do you have other opinion? ALJAILY, you have an opinion?
Yeah, actually, I think the bottle we need to use the good one, the high quality one, because with the time with if you put it outdoor, maybe with the seasons and with the sun lights, it will be it will you the plant can be destroyed by others or some like or someone else. That means we have to put it in a safe place to plant and to grow very well.
Okay, thank you, Zairin and ALJAILY for the comment. I appreciate it, and I hope that I can make improve this DIY project for our team. And I hopefully you enjoy with my presentation. And if any weakness from me, I'm so sorry. And thank you, guys. Bye bye.
Okay. Okay, thank you. See you
Thank
later
you very much.
for next meeting.
Yeah.
Okay, off record.